Oh, yes. Okay, so today we're gonna learn how to line dancing.
I'm scared.
We got the whole
Texas
outfit.
outfit, like.
Yeah. Okay, I can do that. I can do that.
I mean, we just need to learn the dance
We
a
just
little
need to
bit.
learn the
and
dance
that's
a
it.
little bit.
We
Yeah.
have the whole outfit, so that's okay.
Yeah. So strong.
Yeah, you are. I told you actually.
My legs are so strong.
The yoga.
We're getting there. We're getting there. Yeah, we can do line dancing here. This is good.
Move right, move left, move forward, move back, everything else until you hit a new wall.
Okay, you're
Oh.
You do a quarter turn to your left.
Oh, the left.
And you'll start your new wall. 6,
Okay, so
7,
that's just
8.
walking.
And count to a quarter turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we start the pattern again. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, it's right first.
Okay.
7,
8.
back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Oh.
8. Now to walk, read.
Okay, we got the basics now. Now we can like. When to start?
Oh my god, like.
Yeah, a shot of tequila. That's what I need. I think I need a shot of tequila. Valen, trust me. One shot of tequila and then we're ready to do it.
I don't need a shot glass. I'm just always know how much is
Oh,
a shot.
you know how much is a
Yeah.
shot? Oh, okay.
I know.
She knows how much is a shot. This is gonna be good.
Cool. That's a shot. Yeah. We're the bartenders. Hi, what do you want, guys? We have tequila, margaritas, vodka.
Everything. Cheers.
Oh, be careful.
Okay, now we're gonna be good dancers. Siento enloquecer al verla alegre sonreír y no es conmigo. Yo sé que le falta su amor, tal vez porque a mi otra ilusión me sonreía. Y no pensé que sin ella en mi vida se me acabe el mundo. Yo sé que estás arrepentido y duele, pero ya no eres nadie en su vida.
Pivot left. 1, 2, jack square. Left, right, started over, right, heel. Front back. Pivot. You got it. Great body.
Why did she say great? She's not seen me dance.
Pivot. Jack square. Great job.
Okay, this one is gonna
I am not doing great. She's saying great job. We are not doing great.
Jack square. Here we go. Start it over. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5.
What? If we keep watching the video and we keep trying, we're gonna get it at some point by then.
Toe heel.
Maybe, yeah.
Pivot.
Okay. Wow.
No, it's not bad.
That is something else. I think I put it the wrong We are doing so good. Oh my god, I'm so sweaty. Look at my hair. I'm so sweaty.
Look at this.
Don't take that off. So this is like, wait, so every country has like their version of like country music. Do you know what I mean? Every country
Yeah, sure.
has like their version of like I don't know how to say it in a nice way. Like country music.
It's pretty good. Like, that's fun. I know.
Why is this shirt unbuttoned?
I don't know.
I just noticed his shirt is not buttoned up. I feel like I need to do one without shoes on.
Me too. I can't with shoes.
My little toes are hurting so much in there. How to do hip, leg, basic shimmy, belly dancing 101.
Your hip bone up to the ribcage. Coming back
Ow!
down. Switching over to the other side. Straightening that knee. Coming back down.
Ooh, this one
Make sure that you're keeping your heels on the floor and you're not lifting out at any point. And again, lifting up. And back down to neutral position. The other side. Back down to neutral position.
Now the left
that
hurt.
hold in the middle, and you're going to go
I can do that, but
and up.
that one hurt.
Keeping the heels on the floor, chest
Oh.
out, arms relaxed. Make sure you're not moving in space so your head's not bumping up and down. And faster. And full speed.
I think my body doesn't have a bone or something.
Right? Just do. It's not. Oh no! It's not hard. You can do it.
Oh my god, I think I broke something in my knee, like right here. Right there, this corner here. Cause okay, so here's the thing. When I do like belly movements, I always do my right leg up.
Oh.
I never do like, so I can do like this, easy. Like that I can do. But
Okay,
this
so
side, I cannot do it.
But that's normal. That happened to me too.
Like
You
why
can do it
why
this
is
way,
so
and
easy
then
to
with
go this way, but then that way, I just
It's hard.
can't do it.
No, that's pretty normal.
But I
That
think
happened to
it's
me
the
too.
same. Like you can write with your right leg. Like my right, my left, my look at this.
Yeah, you
That's
can do it, but
easy.
with everyone it's like more hard. Yeah, I get it.
Yeah.
And you write with your right.
Right. Yes.
Me too. So that's
Yeah.
that's why this is
So like when I try to do my left leg, I'm like,
Uh-huh.
what am I doing? Like that just feels, it feels wrong. I remember this. We had to do this in school.
Yeah?
Okay, vale, yo soy la única.
Okay. Oh my god.
Okay, I'm gonna be the guy. Oh god, I'm a terrible man.
No, I'm terrible too. Okay, let's do this.
Not a very good man.
No, you're good. Okay.
Okay. Salsa. Oh, that's perfect. Can you pick the size and I copy you?
Okay.
You go like forward and backward.
Like
Come on,
this?
you do it.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. I was like, who's that? Okay, I don't know that well.
You just pick a different side and I copy you.
Okay.
So wherever you want, I copy whatever you're doing.
No.
I can do
I'm the
this.
man.
No, I'm the man. I just copy you.
Okay.
doesn't laugh, right?
Okay, now. Okay.
I don't remember.
I don't know me neither. Okay. Okay.
You want to see how color compares to TV?
What?
Oh, it's bad.
That's all we are?
Yeah. Okay, come here, Ryan.
Oh my god.
Come stand right here.
Hi guys. The TV is so cool.
We're so
I
little.
can see us.
Oh, my leg really hurts, Balin.
I think we need a stretch before we start dancing.
Before we dance next time.
Yeah, we don't stretch and that can happen. It happened to me too. And
Yeah. Or I can punch it.
no, but it's gonna get more hard. And
Ow!
You're gonna feel more painful. I told you. Is it helicopter?
I don't think it's a helicopter.
They still like a.
Oh, they're cutting the grass next door.
Oh, they're putting the grass.
Yeah, it's some
Wait,
guy.
holy shit! That's,
It's some
that
guy
sounds
cutting the
like-
grass. Oh! It's some guy cutting the grass over there. Look at him.
That's so exactly like. I'm not kidding. In Colombia, sometimes
A helicopter. Yeah.
No, really, they just go into the
Yeah.
house to the house for the mosquito.
Yeah.
It's here exactly like
A helicopter.
I'm not kidding.
Yeah. It's like a Colombian helicopter. It's just the. It's
Are you
just
sure
the
there's
weed
no-
whacker.
Are you
Laura
sure
calls
there's
it
no-
the weed whacker.
Is
It's
that-
the weed. Look at him. Look
Oh
at
my
him.
god! Okay, no, you have a car.
He has a car.
Oh my god!
Do 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 do.